Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Per Hitro the verse. E get this quarrel wey dey for social media for very long time between some Edo presenters and Papa Waila. This matter, Papa Waila don carry am go Oba Palace. News come reach social media say the palace want make them see the presenters wey this matter concern, make them make sure say them come palace on the 10th of May 2021. Wetin make this matter now come dey make Per Hitro the vex. Per Hitro say some people dey talk am for social media say na him be the person wey tell some presenters wey this matter concern make them no go answer the palace. Make I leave you, make you hear the full story from Per Hitro.
Let me tell you one thing I don't know. When I go to listen to Benin cultural histories when they played many years ago, come to YouTube, don't they hear now? You understand? Una know how the Yoruba Teto say maybe na the Benin. Una remember? Una remember the story when they talk when say when make this guy Kaladina run into bush. When the last wife of Oba Benin, they went to Oracle on what to do, they said they should sacrifice that guy for Oracle in Benin Kingdom. Now remember, the Oracle, I'm not the one saying it, it's not a secret. It's in the Benin history, which I will come out to tell everybody one single day here. I said it in my right to some people, if I stay clear for this matter. Which matter? I don't get matter. Anybody that will tell me not to say the truth, I be a record. Okay, I didn't know. So far, I don't lie and I don't support anybody. If you tell me today is 12 o'clock, I check my time. Again, I don't trust anybody. So I was told some story. I went to check the time. I went to find out what was going on. Let me give you the story. Oh, you are not worrying, no, no, ona wena uke vara giele liari ani ona weni afiele gberie ya ha mo giba wera na gbe o hana le no jona le no sun na ya say you the wa down yo wa ya tie the history kakabo e ba me do abere no sun be na be 2021 after ma do afia me. You can't tell me whether we're not 50 years in there or be after any be life. Or you more at 50 or so, you know, especially when you know what you are saying. You want a mass, can I book better your mass? Can I do you are? When they were coming back home, I will call now. Wow, you my turn man. Okay, man. What I'm giving away, what I'm giving away, okay, why worry? Yeah, time I want me jaga. Now we are giving what to a muye jaga. Et deux was it true, so that you are confusing me, those people who are confusing me. You are be different name. Any guy walking at me, if you want to jaga, Iana wow, Unarona, Unatawa Mu, Oku Gijaga, about Gia Unusu. Enough with you. You got the day, it all do you are. It all day you are, no, Nedomayame, Nedore to Agualoba. Guale, nitawe ogiso vedo. No ya akinya fie ilefe na te ile ife. Nana ya guale wo ipelewe iri no isu vedo mega mase ohan na yewo o ma wu. Ama fi ani. E ma fi ewere. When bona do find the truth way. When bona ya find the truth in Benin Kingdom. Enema ke miezo na muweria enema ke mia agwebo amuwe wage enoli wufin ni bibo atini wawe undara no ba film ni where if you are not sure anywhere 89% of them are the real life we live. Anybody many times everybody the wrong way, how anything the wrong way. I'm not talking about what happened to anybody. I'm only just telling you guys that it's writing nonsense on Facebook. And I'm disappointed of most of these people who are rimarolling. When I say rimarolling, broken English now, when you are here, when you see this one whole gone, you go change your face. You be like pastor when they preach in tongue, they pray in tongue. When they see God with arm rubber, he say na juju. Now you can believe on now. I like that I believe on now. This one, like, I'm not after all those people. Because I know people will change my words again. I'm letting you know that we, or I, me, what am I going man? They do why man. We buy too what? And I say when it's so we are be a basket man. I say we are be no gay. So we are be sorry no gay. So we are be Olia. So we are be Oloton whatever, Ero whatever. Your surname has nothing to do with the facts. Your surname has nothing to do with anything in the Western world. Your surname has nothing to do with democratic activities or society. Your surnames can always help you when you are entitled to that surname. Okay, eri mata owe onyema yekinye ya nekwe of your ba as far as we are talking now. Otiomba no. Elagogu metwe. Eri mana kwa oba sonyere from Benin Kingdom. Elagogu metwe. Otiomba yi of your ba awawa. Ami of your ba if your money eri magere jawa gutse abagbon. Inyagi of your ba otiomba yaki. Point of correction to all of you. Now let's go back to the issue. He begged us this was when he politics do the way many people that's illiterate in the way abroad. But you are rimarolling. When I rimarolling here, you are rimarolling. Walk by Ogo your walk here Ogo where Eddie Murphy win. He's the king of presenters in the whole Europe. And today you call my name as an illiterate. Oma show about Oma show. Where wala jonere las Ima only as far as you call me an illiterate. I will my school. Because I had to book on a then we can't pay say, then make a noise say, then we say, Ego Bale Amun la Gianni like Beata de Gani. Nuna the Ogomana Yakbo, Nigo Boom. It's just today. And I know that I still have right to go to Nigeria to take believe on a bona. If I am Webo. Even Babat, no your baze. Nega say eji man, no one bikiai, no one make here the because those money was sent to those diaspora presenters according to Stainless, and my name was included. Emana Aro, you ever go Obaseki. I never knew we are Igore. They never gave me any promise. We are Igore from abroad. Imagine only now, About you go to any. Wala weather yoni ekere no six men wa be go ni abedo abedo na complain am be gbo wan mi are ti be are eto e mana mi abedo e are tell you ba ya busa go gbo e dey no they begin to believe on those things because you are a criminal ugu po wa 2013 edo about when I boy in that popular area is a very expensive area and that your land should be 100 by 100 even here. They can away with Amiga Batty. You said you are a graduate, that we are illiterate. Fine enough. But just go check your presentations. Even with the standard studio you have, you can't even give a standard issues. How many times have you spoken about situation in Nigeria? Ogbane, by his grace. And let's see our second true. All these issues. We're not illiterate. I am without tip from no bats. They do allow no one ever do now. He can't remember where they do. We are here do. Why we have a bill when they do it now? Meet him on room away for using your mouth to talk to me anyhow. Admire in there. A medical tell you. Well, oh, not your body no sorry. Oh, not your body no sorry. Every day. Okay, you just came out and make noise anyhow because you built one bungalow in Benin. Ubo 2013, you traveled in your life to South Africa in less than 2 years. You don't even have residence in South Africa. You don't even have residence in South Africa. About me, we ask come man. My sister, I love one lady that works in the governor's house that I interviewed one day in my channel. Who respected the man of my dear sister, also when I have born Basaki, Udo, useless Obasana. Why keep my came to Allah Obasaki? I'm here, and I'm not interested. Oba should keep quiet. Where on they come over there? Oh, you know, pay a little John. Why can I buy little John? Because imagine you this day against the John program. I always say it's arrogant. Many women once I say a word, I maintain it. John knows that I'm saying the right thing. He has a good character, he has a good everything. But he has a good manner, he has good heart. But which is sometimes when you address people in the public, you show your humility. But Owe was just jealous. He did what go when we in South Africa. Wow. These are the same people who were making our name to go on the mud in South Africa. What are in South Africa? I job in South Africa. Amagba anyway, you know, for your igbi, una do. Okay, what Mexico? What is Mexico? Mexico, a graduate in Mexico can't get 400 euros in a month. That is almost 10 times of my salary. And you are boasting you build a house 2013. And I'm a Abat. That's it, Bene. Intro. Yeni quoi? Il dit que nous sommes pas loin. Il fait la taille. Regardez, il fait là. When il est walking, open this for me, please. Why no sooner? I'm making research. I will play one music for you now. I will show it to you. You know, let me play one music for you. If you love that, why not follow Wahina? Follow a Wahin. Oh, I was in one here first name. Let me go to the other one. Or where poor man just come for prison. If they ask, they think I will take a job, take find money. Landlord call lock for him bed. The answer say, I want to collect house strength. You want to collect house strength. Or wait till the landlord they find. Wait till the landlord they find. Na balaba, he dey find. Balaba, he go see you. Balaba. Person when no get work, they walk out for street. They beg zero. Police come catch and say, my friend, I charge you for one drink. What are you looking for? Say now what are they find? How about you put on for 30 snatch? Me and you, that your crack thing, this thing. I go bring them down. I dey confess. Make I play this mix first. It's very important. One another verse. Echo. Abat. Echo na venture abati. We are kufena. No bueno. Venu we. Ọ̀túnrí àwọ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀. Abat ufẹ́ bá gbọ́n. Ẹni wúri náà. Ẹni wúri yẹ. Mẹ́. My yamoyelela. My mo house on ba. My anything. We declare on you. We lay curse on you. Well, everybody has its own potential. And let me tell you. Wherever the guy where I beg him no sooner donate your day. Well, after hand. Present, I'm going to continue to talk now. When I'm watching at the talk. Ha. As far as America, as far as Monica, I'm in my book, Benedoni. Now, at this correcting or Yesunania. Okay? Because his son also has a way. Me, I want to know if it is that Benin kingdom. Ni my wife, right from time. Now. Anyway, we all knows that our Erima Highway is a swagalicious Oba. Somebody who knows what's up. Who knows what time is. Who stays in overseas for many years. So he should know the right thing to do. He who laugh last, laugh best. Not those who have the higher voice that win the race or win the case. You can't be a program. Why not talking nonsense? Now let me go back to the issue. I have never been a part of saga. Once you call me, I will answer you. Ekita, okay, but you want to call up my question now is that how am I the one that tell the presenters not to go and answer case in Benin? My points remain unchangeable. I was on my house watching them here on this saga. I did not involve in this saga from the beginning. It was Solomon who brought me to the saga. And I insulted him to where I can be able to insult him to. And I told Shine to enter house. This is my, go and watch that program. I never discussed about the palace issue. Ed Murphy came out. Gladys came and said, one chief call her. Tell her, say, they invited for palace. I didn't say anything to Gladys issues because we don't communicate. Ed Murphy say it too. You understand? I heard it from somebody who was close to Lolo too. People continue testing me. Epa, is it true? Epa, is it true? Epa, is it true? I said, look, hold on. Melu, he ever go unu. Emini time right from the beginning. I will if you ever here. In my write-up to my very good friend, I've forgotten his name. He just told me to stay clear for the matter that I'm big about this one, you know. Or no, when you are like it means you don't even know me much. Anyway, no problem. I don't want to, I will not reply anybody. But I have right to read message later. Let me tell you how the matter goes, you understand? So, what do? I press out my tentacles. One stupid guy here, John, Ibisubu works here, man. Honestly, I wrote with the Facebook. He know what not soon with Johnny. He shock you. He go shock you, but he not shock me. He not shock me because I can me deji. I be here more. I me deji. I have a bon. Understand? Oh, time holy. I have you and trusted. Now trusted. A strand or a bow or I was or anything at all. Oh, look, I have him and I trust him. No one. I'm not part of that school, but I have read history. I have had history. Okay, they misbehave their positions, and they will be strike. Immediately they will be strike. It might not be today, just as it takes slows to receive wonders in your prayers. So also the gods works in their own time. They don't work with our time. The Bible says 1,000 years in our eyes is just like a day in God's eyes. So what there? Yeah, we be out to me. Let me go back to the story. So look, let me find out. Why where every announcement that is released out in the palace all the time, I send it out on my page. Okay? I send it out on my page. Why are you the one bringing it out? The ordinary Sunday Igwe Festival, which is to Edo people in the diaspora, Christmas, which is New Year, which is informations. About the parliament, so it was a lie. Go back to my page and watch it. When I received this information on the first, but this one is contradicting to the invitation given to Mama Gladys and Ed Murphy and the rest. I don't want kudos from anybody because I will belong to the other side making me kudos. I might be well so. Then I not check the list very well again. My sister already laughing here. No time you man, you never laughing here. You can't explain it. If anybody told me where the person of career in charge of the palace communications or the role that he has went to go and pursue his law program. You know where? The letter came to me on the first. Me and Ivie, we spoke. I saw the letter. It's signed by Frank Irabon, which is a secretary in the whole palace activities. Nobody passed through him. Without him, nothing goes to the palace officially. Why are they said officially? So I received the letter in Adai. 3 days later again, the letter was said for public. I invited all the Enogis in the doors and the public dance. Now they go that this thing would last for 11 days. I calculated the day that letter started was on the 4th of May. May, Wakaba, 7 days from the 4th of May. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 days ended up today. So, and I know, I have said this thing in my write-up too. All of you that are young folks here, do you know what caused the British invasion? That is, the Benin invasion, which the British claim to be the Benin massacre in 1897. Why the story here? I know that where Obaseki Obaseki family. Do you know what your great grandfather did to the Edo kingdom? What I read betrayers. But the sin of a father cannot be treated or used to treat his own grandchildren. That was the pardon we give to Obaseki. I don't judge people with their father's name. I don't judge people with their family's background. I don't judge people with what people say about them to me. I judge people with my personal investigation. I investigate them and find out the quality they have. I compare and say I moved to Obaseki, I supported Obaseki, and I have no regrets. I have no single regrets about that. I'm out to all of you. Okay, so let me go back to the matter. Go and read the history of Idaken. Idayinike, go and read the story. I make research. I search my history. That is where I got to know where Isoluku came from. Selu. How the Ishans went. How that name become Esan. Whatever way Esan was Allah. I'll give you the story one day. If I come educated Nigerians on meaningful issues, they are bringing this nonsense here. About the Buedo, you might say where. Then, this was what was going on. After this man has made the trade agreement with the British on his own, Obavorame told Obaseki to always refer to the palace before making any agreement with the British or further new arrangement. He was doing it on and making himself to be enriching himself. Any Ocean and Jonah we acquired Obaseki later before because if you watch till tomorrow, I want to Bobek with sign. Not Kusana, not Otiye, or soon the election of Buddha because we want our Edo to move forward. Now I am Edo Yebe and Ori Mago, I'm your Begia, no Doledoji, I have to Obaseki. Let's forget about that. So when a Obaseki, shame on you, don't use that language again. That I say I know I governor, Mamini Way has a good record. Ole Pedro, MT has a responsible person in that family because he's very intelligent. Let's go ahead. So, what happened? When the British Captain Philip, was leading a group to come and meet Edo Oba Ovorame. Yeah, they didn't not support him anywhere. No letter was fixed, no case was fixed in the palace officially on the 10th. And I remain on it, I stand on it. They cannot fix a date in the palace for a case and postpone it without communications. One, hold on. That's my point. I never said they didn't call them in any case. So why I attend Watani, left and right, why you going? People are rolling from left to right because you have the Ododo. Bullshit. You understand? So, my sister Lovi, come out. If you don't want to listen, not give me advice. Just listen to me, okay? I know say they get problem, but they are involving me every day. How can I remove my hand? They say, I mean, they don't go palace. You understand me? So, what I'm saying is still clear. What happened about the war? Captain Philip was advancing to Benin. They now had about Benin, Obavorame had the story. And I was on a gear. Who is this man who? Oloboshere. Oloboshere and two other people. I've forgotten the name now. Why you replace? Give me the name, please. Those who are old here, who know the story. You understand? They have to go and meet the white people. Say, look, at this time, Edo Kingdom has stopped Urobos, Shekiri, Kurukurus, all those people that was under the Benin sovereignty, not to do business again with the British because they found Obaseki wanting of the agreement he made with the British. You understand? So the British want to come to ask what is going on. They said they want to come and meet Obavorame. He sent them to go and tell them. So what happened is very clear. Because people hide under the truth and be saying lies. You understand? So he now went. They went there and made the preaching. Said, look, we'll prepare a place for you at Ugotu to stay. The Obas cannot receive any visitors during Igwe festival. Go find your story and your history. No other activities take place when Oba Obini is doing any festival in the palace. This is not to say what they said is a lie. This is not to say don't go to answer who called you. This is not to say it is Uma. This is not to say it's fake. I've given a lot. Who is this person put this thing? Please let me find out who is putting this. When I tell the person name, tell me the person name and block immediately. Because you know they listen to anything. You are mumu. So when they were telling him they prepare a place for this three white men that came with the slaves they brought along, one of the stupid bastards there, one of the chief, not Philip. Philip wrote the story later. I forgot the captain's name, the police name. He said, "What? How can the Her Majesty send a message to Oba man?" He will say, "What a nonsense!" Bushari said, "What did you say? You use your dirty mouth to talk about Oba." He threw out Umozo. We call it Umozo in Benin. Umozo. What about Gao? What bigger? That is what leads to the Benin invasion, the British invasion to Benin in 1897. Go and mark it. If the palace can reject a visitation from the Her Majesty, who the whole Nigeria was under, we were under the British protectorate. Sorry, let me know because I'm a stammerer from birth. I try to minimize it, you understand? So please do not call me. I said it before. Do not call me. I don't pick calls, you understand? So that was all happened. I'm giving you now my reason, my point why I said that invitation cannot be official in Benin. Because a secretary for the palace cannot write a letter that there will be a festival on the 4th that will end on the 11th and will also welcome a Kesinikia. Kesibieka, I do answer a festival that will last for 7 days. That was my reason. It was not in any way to disrespect anybody, or it is not in any way to disrespect the palace. And I spoke to Dorichi too. He explained that it must not mean that it's only one channel they follow. I said, okay. I never argued the matter. Why bringing me? Why do the local palace? Why the local palace? Who is this? Let me find out this person. Let me find out this person. Hold on. You are okay, my brother. Please, can somebody tell me who is putting that ugly face? So because I'm using I'm not using my tablet, so that I don't even know the person, the useless person. Mumu Ogbe. You put a clap hand for them, and they do nonsense for those states. Now say anything better thing to be. So let's go back to the issue again. That is my point. I'm the only presenter that does not marry Marol. What I said, I stand by it. So anything why they make him, if you need time, I repeat it in the presence of Omo. Anybody, I never said they shouldn't go to the palace. I never said they should disgrace or disrespect anybody. They have already made up their mind. And the movie said it in the program before I came out. So it is not me. I'm not going to Nigeria. I'm not in Nigeria. So, everywhere go one. He called me a dwarf. He called me that I use my mouth to chop stuff fish when my disturbing the dashboard. When I say the dashboard is store. You understand? He said a lot of stupid things about me. Monica Royemi. So how am I one-sided? I'm the only man that told man. What I said about the letter, I stand on it. I have a letter there in my word. Check it yourself. So do by anybody. I see many presenters now going to one side because I don't ever do. Let me tell you one thing. Nobody has monopoly to juju. Nobody has monopoly to juju. Anybody can go there and react. This man. The confess. Okay. Good. I've seen it. So, what am I trying to say? You continue calling person old man, and you are for something years of age. You understand me? For the certain years of age, is it a baby? It's not a baby. What will go and me met my old man with mine. Me met my old man. Me make okodo my yard. Wana illustration lohuwa. You don't know that age is number. Most of you that call me old man, I look more younger than you. I look more sogalicious than you. I look more current than you. I look more in digital era. You people are still living in analog. Because I was when why are you by the left side? How about you don't have to go near? Not a referee. You are no longer a referee again now. You stand with EU Wala. I have told you, I have no case with Eruwala. I have never mentioned his name to this place one single day. He had said or whatever. Go and watch all my program. If I need you, but we see Wamaro Wiya. Me no later where this is the evidence I show. Why don't you tell no sense because we feel where me ebo can diagnose it. Poor. It's a lie. What I stand with what I said. Official permission for that date on the 10th was not granted in the palace, was not in the palace. I said so, I repeat it. Because there was a festival taking place on the 4th to the 11th. That's my reason. I never want to bring this letter, that's why I brought that letter. As why any place where the big woman, answer. They even now on no letter me. In there on no letter me. Even there. Of no time, the all possible now Guezo our festival palace. That's all. Now when I Guezo ni, now when I might anybody, but what I know is that nobody has monopoly of juju. So anybody know where Areti about Guinea in a wrongful way can have right to go and carry any other juju. Or no community Uronikwe. Baba or according to now, Major. But if you judge me wrongly, if I see you physically, I will deal with you physically. That's me. You are a woman's strong spirit. You are on my own. I will lay a course of you in the night year. You are gone. It takes you 14. Why 10 years? We are the one to go. If you know you are too bold to be a man or a woman, bring out your real picture or this thing. But how you fake a name like Jabani, everything you are affected with me and better my way. But you take more time. Call navigator here. Or navigator here. So let's go back to the story. So I never told anybody. So Ebony Aveti Dave Ebony Anti. Here one of Bedia anyhow. No Riania Doa anyhow. No Tevita against the door anyhow. No Gio no movie to Botauda or you see me. Got him another. And that's a body yo. But in a last one year, me anti body now. In the middle, go and check it. Up to the pictures in their Facebook. My name is not there. You people are just being jealous of me because I'm more than people's level. That's the reason. My brother and sister, why agree? It's a way I don't tell me I created Midwestern region. How the Nigeria started. How we ended up with this shit in Nigeria now today. That who will not bear the cat was supposed to be my title. And I'm still living now. So that is what happened. Okay, so wait a minute. Anybody know about your body in the wrong way can go to the wrong way and do his own too. Ebony say you can do it on your own. That's your own business. I'm not after them. I fought Monkey Face. Why I am now? Go and check my story. And the people who to fought it with us. All of us gathered how to why you caught it? I've been a quarter. The Jemia. Okay, what? All of you that is now saying, why would I pay without disrespect traditional rulers? But let me tell you what, you got was anywhere. My chief yani now make custody of power in traditionality now. All they fair. What happened between Isekure and the palace? Everyone was here. Etamo Oburu. Huh? Arati Ogyobabi. I'm Webo Bear. I'm Musago Bear. At Yogunea. I'm not against anybody that does anything. I'm not in any side, but I'm only telling you, Yahweh be reabo yenedu. Elimetawe ave edimofi, ave lolo, Gladys and co. Marike ni ro onoro, because he rekes saka wa every time. Guamanati, ve bahari obe ve yamebo be Monica. Anyway, it means what I'm going because I also know that I wouldn't have to bo. Maybe to me to go. Nobody has monopoly of juju. ebo oma ama arunpa imani buni gebo aye ma mo gun wedoni aye ma mesan go wedoni aye ma lokun wedoni okay adana tie boy human trafficking they do but wabe ne gwa tie boy wabe ne gwa tie boy ara viola tian Egwe has a lot of things to do with that place there. I viola tian wa me yere wa ta me ya ana o ma ko ma no gi mo ba no pe go re ni amawe a John a Peter a Paul edu we ofo adesuwa osun oro amaso anybody agawe tie ba o CDA irawe yawe that is a fair play and that's mogun atokpe that is what investigation is going on. Somebody was replying me that every place in area, there are so many places not here. So my brother, the same persons, the same people, all I have all the videos with me. That man of black skin sleeve, the Kwek Poloni, was in awe. Or we are just one in the streets. Yari off where I'm not interested, but I'm only telling you where different people tell body. This is one set of people who are no, or this is me only. And everyone have rights to clean his name from the mud. But every cleaning of name denying a statement has rules and regulations of denying it. Denying bad names on the social media has rules and regulations of denying it. This is my point. And please, anybody know if you don't know, have to give it to the matter. I will report to you. I didn't give you permission to carry this video because I have my own page. Okay? So if you want, you say exactly what I say. Don't give a different title. Okay? You understand me? I have my you post saw it there. You post saw it there. No peace for the wicked. No peace for wicked. I take women. You can't beat a child and say, make it no cry, must cry. Let's see. He who laugh last, laugh best. So my people, when they listen to me, I don't say, but if you say that this is a story that they talk since now, I don't get these viewers. God, now total phone, people want me to hear. Now they read for ball, but me, I know they use my own to get viewer. And they say the part. So anybody, now go back to Abat. What going in your bat? No someone boy. Okay, because Abat will have school. Una ye school kakabo. Very who comes and Abaseke, why am I not Abaseke in an 11 degree? Of your Yimuna. There must be a place for you. Why are you not working in the government house? Why are you not working in any establishment in Benin? Or because you don't have a qualified certificate to do that. Abaseke will not give you a job when you are not qualified. Or yeah, play on no certificate. A Trump, he gave work to even his in-laws and children who were qualified for the job. So how about, don't start telling me nonsense. Why you only like blogging and like the presentation of Tony Fefe? You are a jealous man. You have a greedy mind. Also, not everybody not yekbo. Diaspora presenters say audio Abat. Oga even when we are goni, we go na real Latin. You look at ya guy, everybody in the diaspora. Or a marry going like them in a power, many to my power, or humanitarian power, or Manu Abat. Ario Abat. Imoto to Guano or Guabe. But you come out to confess and apologize for those who ate their money. Because I keep all the videos with me. Anytime I come to Benin, I must write a petition against you. I must write a petition against you. And those people who claim those things, who receive those money, have evidence that you send them those monies through one thing or the other. Whether you go, you get oh ya bowa. Why are you na? Why follow to le ya kian? Abanyato, bobai. Ute walk back here to Ukieka, Ukiona. I wire by. Oh, Hanabella can Osakoro Godi. Una lele uto bewa. Na Kumayo, na Kiana. Oh, Hanapaca, the only person maybe will qualify. Basically, quite even at your honey, he's very intelligent. Very intelligent. You better go. I don't care say now about Dona. You better go to the referee. Ne, warrior yo. Una gia. Hey, anyone is winning yo. Anyone is winning yo. Ah, I don't think about Babao. Social media president. Umwe tato ni RFM. We can let on the window where Abayana take against it, and then you are doing worse. Cracking balls. Or this when they Europe when not they were illiterate when they Europe. Who are you calling illiterate? Nyamiri Shogri. I think cooler. So broyoni. When I tell broyoni, okay. Broyoni. Mogolo. Talotie. Mogolo. Umbe chair. When I pronounce one single word in English language for 3 minutes, and you say you are a graduate, and you have no job doing in Benin City, working in Oto, working back in Oto. All of you now that supported Obaseki, who are you to do? Why are you to do? I was here working when I was supporting Obaseki. I created a channel with my sweat and money. I come out here regularly when I'm free from work to support Obaseki, free of charge. In Unilega, I give you Obaseki supporter. Hey, give it tomorrow. Yeah. It's one, Zali. So I'm leaving now. What? He might finish with about. He told me, I cannot say, where are you? What Dave I war now. Who go in a bin? What am I? Yes, why? I'm not sure the mail Latin. I'm not going to tell me when I pass here Latin. Immediately I found out, I said it, I bring it out the proof. Was it not enough for you guys? What the fuck you need from me anymore again? Why aren't they anybody if you're not telling me that? Abat, I'm coming back from you. Coming back to you again. You didn't win now. You have a winner. Major no go. What am I thinking? That's what the situation people are living in that city there. And go and watch all my program. It's about the Nigerian situation and the situation. I have never do saga by anybody one single day. It's the only thing I defend people who they saga. These are the most Rovian saga. Okay, attack. So I've never come out here one day to carry anybody to say we are saga. I don't have time for that. So people should not put me in your mess. In your mess. Don't put me in your mess. He proposed 30 minutes to go to Nigeria by December. He has money anytime, any day. I go with the letters. The reason go to the area. If I went here, so he went out here officially, not as officially, and I remain the same. I remain tomorrow the same, today, next tomorrow, forevermore. I don't change what I say. I remain Nehi Saka Deka. Yeah, Rimaro. About it, yo, or yeah, I'm your dodo. The tema, yeah, lay. The tema, yeah, but we. I'm here with yeah, they go because Maka laugh from the beginning too well lately. So can you read it by your choice? So you go. I watch you just briefly, just a year about it. That way, right from the beginning, because anybody in that to hang on. Anyway, you know why man when they fuck up one again. Anyone when lose guard, they go blow the pussy. Strip on ABCD. Every day, get another. Any woman. Any people was when you're nonsense. So that's their business. Imagine they are doing the right, have not done it. But what I'm saying is that even right here going to people's personal affairs. Emi Guanyi was a letter. In which I proved my case. Second thing Guanyi was to tell the married woman to enter house. When I was told we used some Western matter of okay, give the Murphy. I came out and apologized. Eti wa gbe even imagine the settle here by the guy that he go down very after when you return it back immediately. That's why I go down. It was a mistake. He never apologized to you while I was. Thank you very much, man. Like he book baby a Facebook. If you don't read me other phones here, you go and watch my interview in Nigeria. See later. All these men are showing now. They are in the same folds. Yale party and Rebel, the whole Schengen nation. They are there. Some people were locking away near my info for Corona. So if you had to allow Agui, then you that if I speak about because I'm pissed off with Abat. And I'm here for you now. Ori woruwe mulagadero. Ori woru mulagadero. Runda ma ilo but we continue the issue. Unas wa mo. Unas wa mo. Waniguana, most of you have not even seen Baba himself physically. I was opportune. Go and check my wall. I took picture with him when he was ambassador in Italy here. When we were going to visit the leaders of those in Italy. He is state leader, I'm a national leader. I served as a PRO for a donations in Italy for 6 good years. Well, I think I feel Lazarus, but I'm more than you over here. When we pay a coffee visit to with Prince, that was called Prince Henry. Okay, he was an ambassador to Italy. We visited him. He called us on his way, not to come to the embassy, to come to his residential house. We went there. He cooked for us. We ate and drank and gave us pocket money for transport. Maya Ariwa. At least it's about 500 euros. What I'm saying is not. Find out. I know who he is. Very intelligent man. He knows Maguire for more than 2-3 hours before Case will answer everybody. He never forgot the first statement we made. I tell you, on the go where I think go for go. Or we a tell where he vient on 2 years now. You tell me where do my yakin. I mean, that's the informal community where he's clean for all the Benin's. Or when no, Oba Nya, Yasesa, Oba control ya, he get to my yakin. You always tell a video, the Daneka to her, no away, Echo News. Echo News. He was the one that told him, well, look, do not say bodyguard is trouble a room or whatever. That all society in Benin or buy a dollar. So funny I go buy dollar doji. Or Ilalano, or anybody know Azeko Soke. I'm quoting him now. That's what he told us. When we visited him. We stayed 5 hours in his house. As we were leaving, he said he must take a picture with us. Check my wall. Why I check a wall, man? I was on suit with Circumfort in Rome. We were almost about 26 leaders in Italy that went to visit him. In my area, or we my book about talk finally. So I've never disrespected the palace one single day. I've always worked with the palace in the right way. So why the hell I anybody? You people are dummy. I said this a couple of times. Mumu, why are most of you remaro. I'm coming back to those who remaro later. You win now. Yare off the day Friday or Saturday. I will have a full time to finish out everybody once and for all year. So when it or no we had a begume, you ready to answer Benny. Every time I if you with you, even no go and keep no go. Here I like left side now. I like left side. Yeah, me do. I like left side. And once again, nobody has monopoly of juju. Everybody can swear. In as far as you have the money to pay for the service.
I beg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.